Welcome to this week's edition of Fridays with Frankie. Well, last week, I couldn't help but notice when I was surfing around the worldwide globe that our service manager, Mr. Andrew Hicks, was talking about a Toyota Auto Care prepaid maintenance program. Well, it triggered my interest so much that this week I've brought on Luke, who is our service writer and rental car manager. Welcome, Luke.
Hey, thank you, Frankie.
So, couple questions here for you. Tell me about this prepaid maintenance Toyota Care program. What are the different intervals, time periods, mileage thresholds that can be purchased, and what does it do?
All right, so our prepaid maintenance plan is awesome. So for those that have had their Toyota Care expired, it's something perfect to jump into to continue that service plan. So all you would do would bring your vehicle in, you would give it to one of us, and we would write the car up, and we know exactly what you need done. So there's two different services you can choose from. There's a 2 years with 3 services, or there's 2 years with 5 services. So the 2 years with 3 services, you're going to get oil change, tire rotation, multi-point inspection every time or every 7,500 miles. Okay, and you have that throughout the 2 years. The 5 service plan, you're going to get a rotation with multi-point, then you're going to get the oil change with the rotation multi-point. You're going to alternate that 5 times, so you're going to get 5 nice services within that. That one's $280. 3 services are $200.
Okay, so I either spend $280 or $200.
Right.
It picks up where my no-charge Toyota Auto Care leaves off.
Yes.
So those of you who aren't aware, once again, when you buy a brand new Toyota, the first 2 years or 25,000 miles is complimentary. The program that Luke is referring to for 200 or 280 picks up where it leaves off. So in theory, for say you went with the higher dollar plan, $280, that would carry me out how far from the original date of purchase then?
Another 2 years.
So 4 total years. Because we give you 2, and then you're adding 2.
So you're going to have, right, so on top of that, you're going to have 4.
Okay.
So you can do this also with a car maybe with 80,000 miles or 100,000 miles. The maintenance plan will start whenever you bring your car in. We'll give you that service and continue on until it's running.
So I have to assume then, based on the volume of services, there's quite a bit of cost savings in addition to the convenience of it.
Quite a bit of cost savings. So, general oil change and rotation, the tax, you're looking around $97, I would say. So if you do that, 2 services end up being right around $200. You're still going to have another service to carry out with, so that's going to pay for itself. On top of that, you're going to get 2 years roadside assistance. You use it once, it pays for itself.
So there are additional benefits other than the maintenance, such as the roadside assistance is included with that.
Roadside is included with that. All you have to come in and do is see us. We'll take all your information. We can apply it that day for you. And you're good from then. All you got to do is when you're coming in, we take care of that service.
And this can be retrieved by my serial number on the vehicle if I don't happen to have my documents handy.
We can take that right off the VIN number for you. Plug it right into the system.
All right. Well, you heard it here first, folks. Toyota Auto Care, cost savings, convenience, additional benefits such as roadside assistance. Can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong.
When you're looking and ready to purchase this, come on down and see Luke. Luke, thank you for your time.
No problem.